Welcome to my projectbazaar.com.
Let us see the title for Adaptive and Energy Efficient Context Representation Framework in Mobile Sensing.
In abstract, a novel framework that includes the time-variant hidden Markov model. Hidden Markov model is nothing but a rule-based structure. It estimates the user state using the concept of human activity recognition to implement the context-aware application. That application requires the continuous data acquisition and interpretation from sensor reading. Determine the accurate user state representation model, and model operates the maximum power efficiency. Continuous running of sensor need to extend the lifetime of the battery. A final framework is to achieve a fine balance in the defined trade-off analysis depending upon user profile. Power accuracy range should be increased. Data flow diagram. In data flow diagram, user authentication is a first model. User authentication is nothing but user request to the server and server will be response. That means user request server in ID and password. Server check ID and password. It will correct user enter into the server. Otherwise reject the user. After entering into the server, user enter the medical data. The server will be storing into the medical server database. In data flow level 1, doctor will be logging into the server. Server checks doctor ID, password, hospital ID and port number. After checking all these attributes, doctor entering into the server. After entering the doctor check the user details and give the suggestion.
Let us run this project. We can first of all run the first frame.java. The home page will be shown. You can click process button. The user authentication will be shown. It is a authentication page. User can enter their name and mobile number. Click number 1, number 2. This is some authentication provided for user. Click next. It will be shown into user detail, means user can enter their medical details. It will be stored into the server. Name is user can set our heartbeat and pressure rate. Click process. Details will be verified, means if this ID is already present or not, it will be check. Present means it will change the ID, otherwise it will go to another page. You can set body temperature and also glucose level. Click save. It will be temporarily storage and click next. It will be stored into server side permanently. Server client is a communication process. You can connect with port number. Click trigger and you can run the client side. You can enter port number and also IP address. Request will be successfully received from server and client side. Server side data will be stored successfully, and click response. The medical server data to be viewed. Click view. It will be permanently stored. Click patient. In this patient, only two options are there to patient: edit the details and view the details. Click OK. It will forward to patient side. Click process and patient details will be there and edit the details. Click back and user side. User will only view the patient details. Okay. First of all, user can register and then login. Okay. Login successful and view patient details and view entry details. Click back and doctor is an important for doctor with three options: view the patient details, edit the details and give suggestion to patient. Okay. register form, and H4 is a hospital ID, and D12 is doctor ID, doctor name and password. Click register. Register successfully. Hospital, doctor ID and password. You can enter the server port number and sign in. In password you can enter another. Click sign in successful, and doctor view the patient details and give suggestion to this patient. This patient take rest and also daily walking. This is a suggest to patient. Data loaded successfully, and click view. Click view means it will successfully viewed. Doctor patient will see this suggestion and give result for this disease. This page is energy consumption digital. Energy consumption means it will enter the details and also viewing and otherwise this performance will be there, so we can calculate the energy consumption for sampling and ideal stage and also accepted waiting time. Click next. This page is a calculate average page, average error and also error find. It will be finally accuracy 90%. We can increase our accuracy. Finally graph will be shown.
Thank you.